A local man accused of attacking a nurse inside a local hospital back in court this afternoon. Stephen Scantlebury accused of violently attacking a hate-motivated attack on a Palms West nurse. He is now facing attempted second-degree murder charges. CBS 12's Tiffany Rizzo was inside the courtroom today and has the latest on what happened. Tiffany?
Jim, the first evaluation is in, and Stephen Scantlebury has been found competent to stand trial. His defense attorney says they will be getting a second doctor's opinion, which is routine. And while there's questions around his mental state, both sides seem to want the same thing, for this case to be heard in court. Wednesday's court hearing focused on one thing: competency. Defense attorney Scott Simmons told me a mental health evaluation has already been done on 33-year-old Stephen Scantlebury, and that a second opinion is coming.
Today was a court date based off competency, so in order for a defendant to be deemed fit for trial, they have to be competent. If you're not competent, you can't sit forward for trial. So today we asked for a second doctor to be appointed to evaluate him for competency.
Scantlebury is facing attempted second-degree murder charges with a hate crime enhancement, accused of beating Palms West nurse Leelamma Lal and nearly breaking every bone in her face. With that first doctor finding Scantlebury competent, the case is now on track for trial. The defense has filed a notice to use an insanity defense, but that would be argued in front of a jury during trial, not beforehand.
Competency has to play out. If he's found competent, we will proceed with our defense. If he's found incompetent, we will continue going through the mental health court that incompetency requires us to go through by Florida law.
While courtroom procedures move forward, the victim is still fighting. The victim's son was in the courtroom Wednesday and spoke to me off camera. He says his mom is still at the rehab center in Jacksonville. She's now talking and making progress, but her attorney says she's facing another eye surgery and issues with eye congruency. And the next court hearing is set for August 20th, when the second evaluation will be reviewed. If it matches the first, Scantlebury will stand trial and a jury will hear his insanity defense. Reporting live in West Palm Beach, Tiffany Rizzo, CBS 12 News.